It's Breo Box time, so if you want to see what's in this big old guy, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. The guy with the squeaker over there, that's Bandit. And Chloe's off doing Chloe things. She could be less than interested with this box. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being part of our YouTube family. So this is my Breo box. And what it is it's kind of a tech kind of box. So you're going to get items that maybe you never even knew existed or that you needed, and find some really cool things to put around your house, or, you know, tech items, things like that. And sometimes there are some choices. So whenever they have a choice, sometimes they'll be like for Apple, and then they'll have a different item that's not for Apple. I don't have Apple products, so I always pick the other thing. That being said, I don't even remember what the choice was, but it's never like one of the expensive. Like, there's always some really big product in there. I have not seen anything else, so I can't wait to jump in here and find out. When you open it up, it comes in this dust bag, and all of your goodies are inside. Now, there's no card. There is a thing to scan. I, of course, haven't opened it yet, so I couldn't scan it. All right, right on top is the Panergy oscillating fan with flexible tripod, and oh, that's cool. Okay, so it's, you can kind of bend it around whatever, and it's lightweight. Let's check this bad boy out. It's perfect for the summer. All right, it does have a charging plug, and then here it is. So you could bring this to work, put it on your desk, and just have them stand up. Or you can wrap them around something. So that's really cool. I like that. All right. I'm excited about this. Let's see. Oh, it's whisper quiet. Yeah, I like that. All right. That's, yeah. Oh, it moves too, back and forth. It's got that oscillating, yeah, I guess. Yeah, it should, right? Oh, it's got another speed. And a third speed. Yeah, all right. That's I love that. All right. I'm so excited about that. I don't even need to go any farther. I'm like exploring. Now, this is on the pricier end. That being said, when I got mine, they had offered me, so it's usually $170, but when I got mine, they said, hey, if you want to sign on for a year, it'll be $136 a box. And I was like, yeah, that's a really good deal. All right, I'll give that a try for a year. And so far, I've been very happy. All right, next we have Maso Natural Mini Air Purifying Bags, scent and chemical free odor eliminator for shoes, gym bags, and sports gear. All right, that is definitely going to be gifted. I like that. Oh, I'm so excited for these. I didn't even know these were going to be in there. So I hope these work with Androids. So these are those headphones that sit like right here instead of going inside your ears. They are water and sweat proof, so that's amazing. It's by Active, and oh, maybe this was my choice item. Was it my choice item? It might have been. I think I looked it up to make sure that it was compatible with Android. That might have been my choice item. Actually, I just forgot about it. And I was just seeing those advertisements. I was like, I really want to try something like that. Next, we have some Anywhere solar lights. This is a set of 6. So these are smaller, so they would be good if you were camping. As you can see, right, you can hang them up. Or you can just put them in your plants too. I am like an amateur unboxer today. I forgot scissors. All right, so it comes with this strap. I'm not 100% sure what I'm supposed to do with this strap. These are by Lucy, so these open up, and you have your little lights here, and then you have all buttoned in, nice and cute. You have your little stakes to put them in. So this is great, like if you're going to the beach and you're going to be there like later on, you know, maybe hanging out with friends or whatever. Yeah, that's neat. Little handhold. These are rechargeable either through solar or USB. The bulbs are shatterproof, and it still doesn't tell me what this is. So here is that solar connection right there that you're going to set it out to charge it. And that's super cute. I'm going to save the big thing because I can kind of see what it is for last. All right, next we have this silicone grooming organizer, and it's travel friendly. I'm not really sure, like I can see what you do with it, but does it close? Oh, it rolls up, I guess. Oh, it's heat resistant. I mean, you know, I'd be using it for my hair tools, actually. There's a little spot to put your smartphone down on. Yeah, and you just roll it up. Oh, that's cool. I have looked and looked and looked at these, and they're too expensive. I don't really need that, but here we go. I got a Blendy Pro. So this is something that blends fruit, ice, everything. It is a personal size blender. We have our little charging cord. So there it is, your little personal blender. It's probably not charged, you know. Plug it in right there. You got your little on-off switch right here. Got some nice blades in there. And then, yeah, so I guess when you're done, you're going to put it upside down and take out the blades. Screw the bottom on. All right. So you've got this little latch here. You're going to unlatch and then just press and it opens. This also came with it, and I'm going to guess that's to cover up your blades when it's not in use. Because that would make sense, right? All right, so super excited about that. Oh, that's an extra storage container. Okay. All right, it's just an extra storage container. I thought it was to cover the blade when not in use. But no, it's a extra storage container. Okay, well, that's what it says it is, but I'll probably use it to cover the blade so nobody gets hurt. All right, well, that is my Breo box. So let me know your thoughts on, was this a pretty good box? I mean, this alone is over $100 for these little things. I've priced them out. They're like, and the off brands are like over $100. So this is like the brand name. So I'm not really sure what this runs, but I'll look up the price and have those for you. But I am pretty excited about the items in this box. I mean, there's only two things, like this, just because I do have people in my family who participate in sports who could probably really use this. And then the silicone mat, which actually I could use just as a heat protecting thing, but I may gift. All right, well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.